Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this week we had a update, of course, for Chrome, and it also pushed us to a new version of Chrome, Chrome 147. So if you go to your Chrome browser, you go to the upper right corner, three vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. You should be, as of today, April the 9th, at 147.0.7727.56. It started rolling out on the 7th. It's for some reason there was a hold, and it kind of resumed yesterday, the 8th of April, and still rolling out to some of you today. So a new version. There's not a lot of new features. There's a couple of things like vertical tabs, things like that have been improved. A few things in the settings that also have been changed. But the biggest thing about it is the enormous amount of security flaws that have been fixed. This new version has more than 60 security flaws fixed. You heard me right, 60. That means that all of the Chromium browsers, you guys need to check it out. There are going to be a lot of bug fixes for security in your Chromium browser, like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on. Microsoft Edge also. So new version, but also 60 plus security flaws out of there. More than a dozen are high severity, and it's just incredible the amount of fixes they've had this week. Many of them are low in value, but still, you want to stay safe. You want to stay the best you can online. So this is going to be what we're going to have. Mostly the huge amount of security flaws that are fixed in Chromium this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.